this is a video tutorial about JimmyR.com, and in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to improve your Windows XP performance fairly quickly. I'm sure this works on other systems like Windows 98 or 2000. It might work on this, I'm not sure. I know certain parts do, but to be safe, it's for XP. Now go to My Computer, click Properties, Advanced, and Performance at the very top. And here you'll see a list of settings. Now there's actually a button that says Adjust for Best Performance. I know, you can't believe it, but if you don't like the changes, just go back, Adjust for Best Appearance, and all changes will be reverted. That's the first thing you can do to lower the memory intake of your Windows. Another thing you can do is go to Start Run and type msconfig. So here we have the run box. We type msconfig, and we have System Configuration Utility. This is where your services and startup programs are. So if you have a whole lot of startup programs and you don't know what they are, just search on Google and it'll tell you. It'll give you a little bit more information about the process. For example, that says KHALMNPR. KHALMNPR. KHLM. I'm bad at memorizing. Okay. And then PR. Let's say I don't know what that is. I type it on Google and it gives me more information about the process. It says it's part of my Logitech mouse. So I don't want to disable it. So I just go down the list of crap and I disable what I do and don't want. The same thing is true for the services, except the services are a little bit more difficult to find an example of. You don't know exactly what they do sometimes. So I recommend you go to Start Run and type services.msc. And here it gives you a very short descriptions of what the services do. So you can check up and see if you really need it. Sometimes they give like a cryptic message. What the hell is DCOM services? I don't know. So again, I just go to Google. I type Windows XP services, and I like the Elder Geek. I don't know, I hadn't seen this top one. Yeah, it gives you a list of Windows services and if you should remove them and when you should remove them. It's very useful. Like, this is the Elder Geek. I use this one a lot, and it has the services down here. It just has a huge list of services. I can just go to Control F on my browser. I can search for a service like plug and play service, and automatically it'll scroll down to where that is on the page. So I can just click it and get a little bit more information about that service. It's a very useful tool. I can try to explain a few of them, like the background intelligence transfer. If you want to disable Windows updates, disable that one and disable the automatic updates. Also, you can disable your security center. If you like using Cygate Personal Firewall instead of Windows Firewall, I recommend it. If you don't use your telephone modem, then uncheck the telephone. You don't need that in the memory. There's all kinds of stuff you can disable. Here's a list of my stuff that I've disabled, but I don't recommend you copy it exactly. I might not need stuff that you do need, like the printer spool. If you have printers, you enable the printer spool. I don't have any printers, so I don't need it. So that's how you update your system performance very quickly. It does require a lot of searching on Google just to make sure you're not disabling something you don't want to. And you can always set up system restore checkpoint, so anything you do that might mess things up is undoable. Or you can just recheck all the services and disable stuff again. Alright, this has been a tutorial by JimmyR.com. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for checking it out.